Hey guys, this is gonna be a short video. I just wanted you guys to see this this cool tweak. It gives you the, let's see, I can get this to focus. Alright, so I can't get it to focus, but it gives you the date. Hope you can see it. It gives you the date in the status bar, guys, and I just think it looks cool. I like it. So I'm gonna show you how to get this tweak, guys. Alright, first thing you're gonna want to do is go to Cydia, and you're gonna want to search for Filesa, and then install it. After that's done installing, you're gonna go to this link, guys. It's gonna be in the description, and the tweak is called Date in Status Bar. You're just gonna go ahead and download it, and after it's finished downloading, you're gonna just go ahead and click on it, and then you're going to save it to Filesa. You can see I already have it saved in there because I already did it. So you're gonna save it to Filesa, and after you're finished saving it, you're gonna open Filesa, and then you're gonna click on it, and then you're just gonna press install, and then when it's finished installing, you're just gonna go ahead and respring your device. I have a tweak installed named pull through respring. That's how I was able to respring like that. But you can install other tweaks that will able to respring your device, and then the tweak should start working, guys. Alright, so that's all for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit the post notification bell so you can notified whenever I upload a video, guys.